Hi, if you've been experiencing any hip pain, it could be as simple as strengthening the muscles around your hip to provide better stability. So I'm going to show you 3 exercises that can accomplish just that, but we want to start basic and then perhaps you can progress the exercises into more challenging exercises. But right now we're going to start on the floor in a stable position, and the first one I'm going to show you is the fire hydrant. We're going to get in all fours, and we want to make sure that the wrists stay directly under the shoulders and the knees stay directly under the hips to give you good stability and good alignment. And then we're going to work the gluteus medius muscle by lifting our knee out to the side. It doesn't have to be a very high lift to get this muscle activated. We want to keep our form good by keeping our shoulders squared up to the floor, so we're really going to push into the floor with our hands. Pull our belly button up to help support the lower back, and then lift and lower. Some people have better range of motion in their hips, so they might be able to lift a little higher, but the main thing is to feel it here in the gluteus medius area. Now, if that's really simple and you can do it without any pain or discomfort, challenge is what we're after though. So if it's burning a little bit, that's good, but not pain down your leg or into your back. Then we want to then maybe make it a little bit bigger range of motion, and we can make them circles. So we would take the knee, we're originally in movement from our hip, but kind of draw a circle out to the side with our knee, and then make sure you reverse that direction, and that would be the next progression to really help start building strength in the muscles around your hip. So that's one direction. Now we're going to get on our back side to work the back side, and we want to strengthen those gluteus medius muscles now, our glute muscles, by our back being supported on the floor, our feet being supported, and then we're going to squeeze the glute muscles, which helps us tilt the pelvis up, and then we're going to keep lifting and really take that muscle to its full range of motion, again, as long as it doesn't cause any pain in your hip or back, and then bring it down. So we do, again, a set of those. All of these exercises start with maybe a set of 10. If that's easy, do 15, 20, 25, and it really just depends on your fitness level coming into the exercises and how you're feeling, but we want to feel it to be challenging eventually without any pain. And then the next exercise we're going to do is working on the transverse abdominis muscle in a safe way for the hip would be to keep one leg bent and one leg long, and then we're just going to do a single leg lift starting out. Again, to make sure that this muscle's working without causing any pain in the hip. If that's too much, we could always bend that knee and reduce the resistance. But still focus on using the muscle below your belly button, and that'll be a good start to strengthening the muscles around the hip area, the hip complex, and hopefully reduce hip pain in the future. So give those a try, 1, 2, 3 sets. Depending on your fitness level and what you need to feel challenged, 10, 15, 20, 25 reps, and you'll start a good progress towards improving your hip health.